Looking for a reliable road bike that won't break the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Raveman FR500 Bike Light. The Raveman FR500 caught my attention with its powerful 500 lumens and sleek design, priced at just $59.95. If you want a dependable light that keeps you visible while riding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Good visibility is crucial for road safety, especially during night rides or in low light conditions. The FR500 features 6 lighting modes, including bright daytime flashing, which makes you stand out to drivers. It's not just about being seen, it's about feeling secure while biking. Plus, it's compatible with popular bike computers like Garmin and Wahoo, making it super convenient for tech-savvy riders. The IPX6 waterproof rating means it can handle unexpected rain without a hitch. A lot of users are raving about how easy it is to install and recharge via USB-C, which is a big plus. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being sufficient for very dark trails. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly commuting or riding in urban settings, this light will not disappoint. It's designed for visibility, not necessarily for deep trail riding, so consider your main riding style. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride after sunset or just want that extra layer of safety during the day. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically tailored for off-road or mountain biking. At this price, it offers solid value for a reliable light. Product number 2. Yontuo Rear Bike Rack. The Yontuo Rear Bike Rack is a real steal at $39.99. If you need extra storage for your rides, this rack is definitely worth a serious look. This rack supports an impressive 310-pound load capacity, which is fantastic if you plan to carry heavy gear or groceries. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's built to last and resists rust, perfect for all-weather biking. The quick-release clamp makes installation a breeze, so you won't have to stress every time you want to take it off. The adjustable length fits most bikes, giving you flexibility regardless of your frame size. Plus, it comes with a reflector for added safety at night, which is a must-have feature. Now, some users found that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how easy it is to adjust, so don't let that deter you. Just take your time and follow along. This is perfect for you if you often ride with extra gear or need to transport items regularly. Skip it if you only ride for short distances without needing additional storage. It's a good value for what you get. Product number 3. Pro Bike Tool Bottle Holder. The Pro Bike Tool Bottle Holder is a must-have for those long rides. If you want easy access to hydration, this might be your answer. The cage fits most standard water bottles, ensuring you stay hydrated without fumbling during your ride. It's made from durable CNC machined aluminum, so it's lightweight yet strong. The secure retention system means your bottle won't bounce out even on rugged trails. Installation is straightforward, taking less than a minute with the included bolts. And let's be real, at only 48 grams, it won't weigh you down. But some riders mentioned it might not hold larger bottles securely. Here's the thing, as long as you stick to standard sizes, you should be just fine. If you're someone who prefers larger, insulated bottles, this may not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself needing water on long rides. Skip it if you use oversized bottles or plan to carry multiple bottles on your bike. It's an affordable and practical solution.
Product number 4. The Raveman FR1000 Bike Light, priced at $74.95. If you prioritize high visibility while riding in the dark, this is worth checking out. With a whopping 1,000 lumens and multiple brightness levels, this light truly shines in both day and night conditions. The refined lens design spreads light evenly, ensuring you see and are seen. Plus, it has a pulsing mode for daytime use, which is great for safety. The integrated design with the bike computer mount cuts down on clutter, and it's compatible with Garmin, Wahoo, and Brighton. The battery life is impressive, running up to 39 hours, and it even has an emergency charging feature for your devices. Some users reported that the price is on the higher side for a bike light. Here's my take. You're investing in your safety, and that's priceless. If you frequently ride in poorly lit areas, the performance of this light justifies the cost. This is perfect for you if you ride at night or in rainy weather. Skip it if you're mainly riding in well-lit areas or during the day. It's a solid investment for those serious about cycling safety.
Product number 5. Desing Wish Bike Cup Holder. We have the Desing Wish Bike Cup Holder for $18.99. If you often struggle to keep your drinks handy while riding, this one's for you. Featuring a unique design with multiple mounting methods, this cup holder is easy to install and can hold 24 to 32-ounce bottles. It's made from durable Oxford cloth, so it's light yet strong and can handle a variety of bottle shapes. The mesh pocket is a thoughtful addition for stashing small items like keys or snacks. No tools are needed for installation, making it a hassle-free option. However, some users mentioned that it may not fit very thick handlebars. Here's the deal. If you have standard handlebars, it should work perfectly, but it's something to consider if you have a unique setup. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long rides and need to carry beverages with ease. Skip it if you have oversized handlebars or don't drink while cycling. It's a practical accessory for any cyclist.
To wrap it all up, we've seen some fantastic options today for road bikes under $500. The Reveman FR500 is great for safety, while the Yontuo Rear Bike Rock offers excellent storage solutions. The Pro Bike Tool bottle holder is a simple yet effective accessory, and the Reveman FR1000 is top-notch for nighttime visibility. Finally, the Desing Wish cup holder is perfect for staying hydrated.